Hi, what's up guys, it's your boy Crazy TTP. So in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Windows 10 to factory settings. So what you need to do is you need to go to start, go to settings, then this window will appear, then go to update and security. Then in these options here you need to go to recovery, then you will see reset this PC, then advanced startup. Where you need to go is in the reset this PC, then click this get started over there. Then you'll see this pop-up window which says choose an option, keep my files or remove everything. So keep in mind guys that when using this tool you must be very careful. So if you wanna do this but you don't wanna remove your files, you can say keep my files. But if you wanna reset your Windows 10 to factory settings with all of your personal files and everything, you need to say remove everything. So this is it guys. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.